What if I told you one small money mistake is keeping you poor?
By focusing on these key sectors, we've managed to navigate the recent volatility. This approach ensures your portfolio is optimized for long-term growth and stability. This real-time data highlights the current market volatility. We're seeing significant upward momentum here, but also sharp corrections, as indicated by condition. This monthly budget dashboard clearly shows the impact of disciplined spending. By optimizing these green income streams and the stock market, as shown by these candlestick charts, is driven by both bullish trends and necessary corrections. Understanding this volatility is key. How does money grow through investing? It starts with understanding compound interest. $1,000 today can become $100,000 over time. An emergency fund is crucial. Aim to build up at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses, ideally 12, before you start investing.
Focus your investments here, where the growth potential is highest according to these metrics.
And this strategy aligns with our long-term wealth building and budgeting goals, correct?
By focusing on these growth areas, we maximize the long-term potential.
I agree. This adjusted portfolio significantly strengthens our position.
It's important to understand that market crashes are normal. As a long-term investor, the worst thing you can do right now is panic.
The key is to buy during the fear, not sell. This recovery confirms the strategy.
I agree. I'm increasing the investment allocation now while the market stabilizes.
I work every day, so why am I still broke? Because saving money isn't about how much you earn, it's about how you manage it. So where do I even start?
That $5 coffee every day becomes over $1,800 a year. Wow. I had no idea it was that much.
Never buy something just because it's on sale. Buy it only if you truly need it. Always shop with a list.
But smart money decisions today create financial freedom tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Money Nest for more money tips.